This is as close as I've come on camera to getting this thing open. I almost got it. Got it! Yeah! Finally! My first single pin pick. My first successful single pin pick on a 40 millimeter Brinks 2,400 pound steel shackle lock padlock. Wow, finally. Pick, click, boom. I'm not a member of the Lock Pick United group yet, and I don't have a gutting kit, but here's the proof positive. I finally did it on my on my 8th day of picking. This is a victory for me, for all pickers everywhere, and my Parkinson warriors. Small victories, progressing in experience in small increments is the way to go. Wow, I'm holding back a lot of emotion right now. I just want to spill it all out, but just suffice it to say, I'm very happy. Oh yeah, by the way, pick a lock, put a quarter in the jar. I missed. Put a quarter in the jar. There we go. Thanks for sticking with me. Today was a big day. Wow, finally did it. Thanks everyone for tuning in. I love all you guys. Thanks for all your support and your hospitality. Good night.